Hello everyone, welcome to our math class. So students, our continuing chapter is chapter 3, playing with numbers. So this is our exercise 3.7. So we do solve. So number 1 question is, Renu purchased 2 bags of fertilizers of weights. How much? 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value. What? देखो, find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. That means, look at here, 75 kg and 69 kg is measure maximum value of weight. That means that number is smallest the 50 kg and 69 kg. Means that is the factor of both 75 and 69 kg. Factors means what? We find the HCF. Okay, so here we find the HCF of 75 kg and 69 kg. So weights are, weights are 75 kg and 69 kg. Okay, so we find the maximum value. Maximum value of maximum weight we measure. That means we find the HCF, highest common factor of both 75 kg and 69 kg. So now we find in the division process. We know how to find using division process. So 75 kg, 75 and 69. Look at here, 75 means 7 and 5. The digits of both is divisible by 3. क्योंकि 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, divisible by 3, and 6 plus 9, 15. 15 also divisible by 3. So we put 3. 3 is most divisible by both 75 and 69. That means 25 and 3 2 of 3 3 of 9. So 23. Okay. So 25 and 23. Remainder 3 is the HCF. Here HCF is equal to 3. This is the maximum value which can be measured the weight both 75 kg and 69 kg. Okay. So hence also write the maximum value of weight which can be measured the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Okay. Now number 2. Number of times is 3. Okay. This is the maximum measure. Now number 2 question. Look at the question number 2. 3 boys step up together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? Okay. Look at here. So 63 centimeter, 70 centimeters and 77 centimeters. Suppose this is the step 1. First step boy this is, another is suppose this much, and third one is suppose this is. So they start this point. So they end the point. Suppose they stop their step here. मीन्स मिनिमम डिस्टेंस, मतलब देखो ये जो डिस्टेंस ये तीनों से बड़ा है. ओके. द व्हाट इज द मिनिमम डिस्टेंस इट शुड कवर सो दैट ऑल कैन कवर द डिस्टेंस इन कंप्लीट सेट. दैट मीन्स ये जो डिस्टेंस आया देखो ग्रेटर देन द 3 डिस्टेंस. दैट मीन्स दिस इज द multiples of 3 step, different step. 63, suppose this is 63, this is 70 and this is 77. So ये जो आएगा distance, minimum distance, that is the multiple of 63, 70 and 77. Multiple means we find LCM. Okay, lowest common multiples. So here question number 2, the steps measure how much? 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter. So here we find the LCM of 63, 70 and 77. Okay, so again we find the division process. Okay, 63, 70 and 77. 63, 70 and 77. So ये तीनों देखो कौन सा नंबर में डिविजिबल है? 7 में 7 टेबल में 63 भी है, 70 भी है और 77 में डिविजिबल. So we put 7. 7 9 of 63 and 10 then 11. Okay, so we put, look at here, 9 and 10 co-prime numbers. We know that their HCF is 1. 10 and 11 also co-prime number, their HCF also 1. 9 and 11 also. So 9, 10 and 11 consecutive number also. And we know that in the case LCM, minimum 2 numbers divisible any number, then we put that number. So here देखो 9, 10, 11 are not divisible, any 2 are not divisible any numbers. Okay, that means LCM is, so we stop this process. LCM is equal to 7 into 9 into 10 into 11. Okay, so now we multiply, easily multiplies 9 into 10 90 and 7 into 11 77. Again we multiply 90 into 77 is equal to how much? 9 7 of 63, 6, again 9 7 of 63 plus 6 9 69. Again we put the 0, this 0. Okay, so 6930 is the minimum distance. Okay, so the what is the minimum distance? It should cover the minimum distance is equal to the minimum distance. The minimum distance is 6930 centimeter. That cover the complete steps. Okay. Now number 3. Look at number 3. The length, breadth and height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest step which can measure the 3 dimensions of room exactly. Okay, longest step means देखो 825, 675, 450 that measure. So the tape is less than the 3 numbers. That means the tape is the factors of 825, 675 and 450. Factors means here we find the HCF. Okay. So number 3, heights of rooms. Heights of room or dimension of room is equal to 675 centimeter, 825 centimeter and 450 centimeter. So here we find the HCF, highest common factor. HCF of 675, 825 and 450. Now we find the HCF in the division process. Okay, So look at here. 675, the sum of digits are 7 plus 5, 12 plus 6, 18, which is divisible by 3. Again 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15 also divisible by 3. 4 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. This is also divisible by 3. So first we put 3. 3 2 is 6, again 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Again 3 2 of 6, 3 7 of 21, again 1, again 3 5 of 15. 275. This is 3 1 of 3, 3 5 of 15, again 3 0 is 0. Okay. Here, look at here. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2, 14. This is not divisible by 3. 5 plus 1, 6. Divisible by 6. 3. And 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. So 225 and 150 is divisible by 3. But 275 is not divisible by 3. But we know that in the case HCF, all numbers are divisible by any number. In the case LCM, we put numbers. If any two divisible, then we put that number. But here we find the HCF, means this is not, all are not divisible by 3. So here look at which number, which digit is divisible by all three numbers. 5. 5 is divisible by 225, 275 and 150. Okay, so we put 5. Again 5 4 of 20, 5 5 of 25. Finished. Then 5 5 of 25, 27 minus 25, 2. Again put 5. Then 30. Okay. Again look at unit placement 5 here also 5 0. That means again divisible by 5. 5 9 of 11, 5 6 of 30. Okay, again look at 9 and 3 is divisible by 3, but 11 is not divisible by 3. That means our process is stopped here. Okay, so HCF is equal to 3 this into 5 into 5. So 3 into 5 into 5 is equal to 75. That means the question is what? Find the longest step. So the longest step is 75 centimeter. That is measure the room exactly. Okay. So here 1 number, 2 number, 3 numbers are we solve. Next class we continue our next number. Okay. Thank you.